Today we're going on a sunrise trek and it's around 4:30 a.m. Bit tired.
About to trek PADAR it's like a 30-minute hike up the mountain. We're gonna watch the sunrise over there.
It's right up there. There's our boat.
We're on our way up the stairs. It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
It's actually really kind of easy.
I was surprised they had stairs all the way up. I had no idea. I thought it was gonna be really rocky, like a cliff. So we got some more stairs.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah. Get it, Brian. He's training.
My life! No, it's too much.
Slowly dying up these stairs. It's just weird doing things like this at 4:30 a.m. Now the view is really, really epic. Look at this. It is so pretty. Anna, what would you rate the hike?
It's not too bad, it just sucks it's this early. But then again, if it were later, it'd be really hot. So, enjoyability, I like laughing at everyone. We're all in pain together, so it's kind of funny. The worst part about this hike is that it just keeps going. You think you're at the top, and then there's another top, and then there's another top. And every time I say, oh, we're there, we're never there. We still have that way to go.
We finally made it to the top, and the sun is about to rise. Perfect timing. There's Anna.
Life's a climb, but the view is great.
Quote by Anna.
Miley
Look at
Cyrus.
this.
The sun is currently rising, and it looks pretty cool. Check it out.
This over here is the most epic view ever. It is so pretty.
This is what you see in like pictures and stuff, but it's so cool. Even that beach over there, it has pink sand.
Yeah, over there's pink sand. Now we are headed back to the boat after a beautiful sunrise here on PADAR Island, it's called. I don't know if all these are considered Komodo or if they're different, but I consider them all Komodo Islands because it sounds much cooler. Now we are headed for breakfast on the boat, and then we're actually going to see more Komodo dragons on an island called RINCA.
As you saw last night, we had a little party on the boat, so people are struggling.
If you're a man at night, you gotta be a man in the morning. Who would ever think there would be deer on this island? Look at this. Look at them, Bambies. Hey, his horns look weird.
They're growing, they're big.
Four horns.
Hey, this is why you don't pack white shoes for travel.
Didn't we all tell you that before?
Yeah, whatever. They still work. Now we're having chocolate pancakes.
It was so good.
Look at
It's
that.
really warm today.
Yeah, it is warm. Just woke up from our beautiful 2-hour nap. Now we have landed at RINCA Island. About to hike and maybe see some more Komodo dragons.
Hey guys, I'm out here on a boat cleaning my cuts for the 10th time. It's going okay, but it really just needs to get better soon.
Oh, our guide said this island is way more fun than the actual Komodo Island. We're still able to see Komodo dragons, but there's like a lot of monkeys and other wildlife.
Welcome to RINCA Island, and now you are in Loch Buaya.
We got a big Komodo.
For some distance.
Oh my.
That thing is huge.
That one's a big one.
When they attack, they will move suddenly.
These two Komodos are females because they are smaller than the males. That's how you know.
There's some big poop right here. Just made it to a viewpoint.
Wait, should we get a group photo?
I would say it's really pretty. You can see our boats from here, check it out. Headed back to the boat, we saw some Komodo dragons, some water buffalo, some monkeys. It was a good day, good hike. We aren't dead yet.
Oh no! Wow.
Oh!
Do it.
Oh,
Thank you.
there's alligators down there and Komodos. We're here in this area. One more island, Keilor Island, where we'll swim. And then Flores Harbor, we'll end the trip. Alright, this is how you clean your feet after we go hiking and stuff on the boat.
In the water.
The fun never stops on this tour. This is day 4 and we are back to jumping off the boat and snorkeling. And there's a nice beach. Jump!
Are we good?
Yeah, you can. The ladder's down.
Yes.
Woo! Every day. Let's do it. Alright, we got Andy here. He's gonna jump.
Yeah.
Go! Woo! Get it, Andy. Time to snorkel a little bit.
Jasper made it and Alex made it. Ian kinda. Shell has joined us. I like everyone coming one by one.
Yeah.
Yeah, catch! Oh, Timo! If you throw that, I will kill you. Wait, so can someone explain what they're trying to do here?
You know,
No. You gotta show it.
It's come to this on this tour. I think it's time to part ways.
Like, is this
I
calling
like
for
being
you?
pampered.
people pay a lot of money for this
Wow,
shit.
you got.
Yeah.
Wow, it's growing.
Uh-oh.
Some. We finally begun our last little sail to Labuan Bajo, the port of Flores, and
You're so sad.
we're gonna miss it. All
This
these
has been
fun
my
people.
favorite trip of my life, and these are the best people I've ever met in my life.
That's so cute, Anna. Jumped off boats, saw some Komodo dragons, sat underneath the stars, had some parties, ate some food, wooded. Here's everyone. We're all done.
Now we have to figure out the hard part because now we're off the tour where they had everything scheduled for us. We have to go back to real life where we have to figure out our own lives.
Yes. Back in the boat. Woot, woot, woot. Yip, yip.
I love you all.
I love you. Andy and all. Hey everyone. I don't know why I'm standing up. Now that we are done with the tour, it's time to figure out our lives. We've been off the grid for 4 days. We lost data on the first day, so sorry Mom and Dad, we are okay. Now it's time to go into Flores and find a place to stay. We're headed back to Bali tomorrow for Anna's best friend coming in town.
All decided to stick together because why would you separate?
Taxi driver just fell off the roof. Normal day here in Indonesia. Look how cute. We just ended up at a hostel right above the port down here. We got everyone we were just on the boat with pretty much. To end it all off, tonight we're all gonna go out and get some pizza.
We are going to dinner! Pizza!
After a long 4 days on the boat, we treated ourselves to some pizza, some mashed potatoes, salad, some drinks. Look at this. You're looking really good. Oh gosh. Brian just looks. Say we miss you, Maxim.
We miss you, Maxim.
Aww. Alex, you miss him so much.
My peanut butter boy.
I got that one. Oh my gosh.